Hello friends, welcome to Aditya Higher Mathematics. In this video, I will give a trick to find the characteristic equation of 2 by 2 matrices, and we will discuss also some of its applications. That means how to apply this characteristic equation trick to solve problems. And total 5 questions I will solve here, and watch solution of all these 5 questions to improve your problem solving skill and clear your concept. Okay, now we will discuss that topic. And it is an important trick. Characteristic equation question you will get in all types of exams like GATE, NET, IIT JAM, BHU, and JEE Main Advance, KPPY, NDA, UPSC. So it is an important concept, and using this trick you can solve some questions easily in few seconds. So first we will discuss what is that shortcut method or what is that short trick to find characteristic equation of 2 by 2 matrices. Actually, when it is a 2 by 2 matrices, you will get the elements like this A, B, C, D, total 4 elements. Then matrix A satisfies its characteristic equation. Actually, all the matrices are satisfying its characteristic equation. Then the characteristic equation in terms of A I am writing here, because every matrix satisfies its characteristic equation. So you can write in that equation that matrix A. And what is that characteristic equation? A square minus A plus DA plus AD minus BC I2 equal to 0. And I2 is note that the identity matrix of order 2, simple matrix property. In other words, you can say like this also. A plus D means sum of diagonal elements. That sum of diagonals is called trace of A, you know this. Actually, A plus D means sum of diagonal elements, and that AD minus BC is A multiplication D minus BC, which is determinant of A. Or simply you can say like this: A square minus trace of A multiply A plus determinant of A multiplied by I2 equal to 0. That 0 means is the 0 matrix. Understood? It is not number 0. It is 2 by 2 0 matrix. Okay. So this is the characteristic equation of 2 by 2 matrices. Whatever question given, direct you can write like this. And now we will discuss some of its applications and how to apply this trick in questions. You see, one question is given, matrix A is 3, 5, 4, 2, then A square minus 5A minus 11I is equal to 4 options given. Actually, when this question you will get in exam, everybody will think you have to find A square by multiplying AA, then you have to 5A by multiplying total matrix A by 5. Similarly, you have to multiply I by 11. Then after that, you have to simplify all these 3 terms. A square minus 5A minus 11I. Then what you will get, this is your answer. But when you will do like this, then you have to take minimum 5 or 10 minutes. If you are doing fast, then you can solve within 5 minutes. But in exam, you have not enough time to solve like this. Because in exam, you have to solve more number of questions with less time if you want to qualify one exam. So you have to learn such type of short tricks. And now I am going to discuss the short trick. How to apply this short trick to solve this question without using any multiplication or simplification. Understood? Here matrix A is given, and I told us what is the characteristic equation of any matrix if it is A, B, C, D, 2 by 2 matrix. And before one question given, you first check what is that coefficient of A given, which is sum of diagonal elements given or not. That is trace of A. You can see coefficient of A is given 5 and sum of diagonal elements 3 plus 2 5. That means you can apply our trick. Understood? So first find its characteristic equation. I told A square minus sum of diagonal elements 5A plus, then what is its determinant? 3 multiplied 2, 6 minus 5 multiplied 4 is 20. 6 minus 20i. So we are getting A square minus 5i minus 14i is 0. But in a question it is given minus 11i. Since it is minus 11i, that minus 14i you can split like this, minus 11i minus 3i. Now you that minus 3i take right hand side. So now you got the answer. A square minus 5a minus 11i equal to 3i. 3i which option? Yes, option A is correct. And this is the first question I am solving. If you liked this trick, then now only subscribe my channel. Then you can watch my shortcut method for 3x3 matrix characteristic equation when I upload. If you like, then subscribe. If you don't like, then no need to do subscribe. And also watch full video. Total such type of 5 questions I am solving. This is only first question completed. And all these, from all these 5 questions, you will get different knowledge. So now see the second question. Okay, now we will solve this. You can observe it is a similar type question given, but something different. That question I term given, but here no I given. And what is that coefficient of A given? Observe. Yes, it is sum of diagonal elements given. Then you can apply that trick. Now find its characteristic equation. A square minus sum of diagonal elements 3 plus 2a plus 6, it is minus, so you will get plus 1i. So you are getting a square minus 5a plus 7i is 0. It is the characteristic equation of that matrix. But in question you have to find only a square minus 5a. So that plus 7i you take right hand side. So a square minus 5a is minus 7i. Simple. You can see only in 2 steps we are getting our answer. Now you can realize how much valuable this trick. And such type of tricks you will get only in my channel. So don't forget to subscribe to watch 3x3 shortcut method for characteristic equation. So we are getting here a square minus 5a is minus 7i. Understood? Now we will solve some difficult question. See this question. Okay, now we will solve this. Here also one matrix given. Understood? And you have to find its value. Out of 4 options, which one correct we have to choose. All these 2 questions what we have solved, here it is a polynomial type given, but here it is given in factorization form. So you have to multiply first. And after multiplication, we can see what is coming. Now, a square minus 3ai, simple multiplication, minus 2ia, 2, 3, 6, ia, I square. So, a square minus 3a minus 2a plus 6i. So, finally, we are getting a square minus 5a plus 6i. Understood? So what is that polynomial given? We are getting just a square minus 5a plus 6i. Now what is its characteristic equation? A square minus sum of diagonal element is 4 plus 1, 5a. Then what is its determinant? 4 multiply 1 is 4 and 2 multiply minus 1 is minus 2. So 4 minus minus 2 which is 6. Understood? That means a square minus sum of diagonal 4 plus a 1a plus 4 minus minus plus 2y is 0. After simplification, you will get a square minus 5a plus 6 equal to 0. And also you remember one thing. In that short trick what I told, that sign is alternatively changing. That means first sign is plus and its coefficient is 1 only, a square. Second sign is minus. Then third sign is plus. So you have to remember this also. Signs changing alternatively. First sign plus, second sign minus, third sign plus. And what we got characteristic equation is equal to that product. And we know that characteristic equation, what I told in that subtract, its value is 0. And since its value is 0, so that matrix what we got, or matrix polynomial what we got, its value is 0 only. Since it is 0, you can see option B is correct. But generally, if such type of questions coming in exam, what students are doing, they are putting the value of A and I, and after that they are simplifying what addition and subtraction, then they are multiplying. But these are not the way to solve one question is objective or entrance. When we are appearing entrance, then it's very difficult to qualify for such type of ways. So you have to follow always the shortcut method. Then only easily you can qualify any type of entrance examinations. Now third question completed. See the fourth one. It is something different. Okay, now we will solve this question. Here one polynomial given and that unknown you have to find out. Understood? And total in two ways I will solve this question. Both ways you will get some knowledge. Characteristic equation in M first write. M square minus sum of diagonal elements 1 plus 3 plus 3 minus 4 equal to 0. This is 0 matrix, not 0. So M square minus 4M. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied I2. So minus I2 is 0. This is the characteristic equation of the matrix. But in question it is given M square minus lambda M minus I2 is 0. Now you compare both equation 1 and 2. Then here coefficient of M is minus 4. Here coefficient of M is minus lambda. Both have same sign lambda minus. So lambda is 4. Okay. But also you can solve in less time this question. I told that coefficient of A is nothing else which is the trace of A if sign is minus given. Understood? Trace of A means the sum of diagonal elements. So in this question you have to find the coefficient of M, that means lambda, which is simply sum of diagonal elements 1 plus 3 which is 4. Only 1 second. Try to understand what I am saying. This question no need any simplification, multiplication, addition, subtraction. That coefficient is given lambda, and I told in that subtract what is the coefficient of M. It is the trace of the matrix, that means sum of diagonal elements. If sign is given minus, if sign is plus, you have to change sign. Since sign is minus, so that lambda is the sum of diagonal elements, that means lambda is simply 1 plus 3, 4. Only 1 second you have to take to solve this question. You are getting lambda as the coefficient, that means find its sum. And the last question we will solve a completely different question as comparison to the previous 4 questions. Here we will discuss about something different to find determinant using this. So now see this question. Okay, now we will solve this. This is the last question. Here you need to find the determinant of a square minus 2a. Okay, the first question out of 5 where we are finding determinant, and from that matrix you can find out a square and you can find out a, then you can find out determinant. It is the general methods. But how to solve this question using shortcut method, what I told. So first write its characteristic equation. You can see that the sum of diagonal given is the coefficient of A. So A square minus 2A plus, what is the determinant of A? 1 minus 6, so minus 5i. So we are getting A square minus 2A is that minus 5i you take right side, which is 5i. So A square minus 2A you are getting 5i. Understood? Since A square minus 2A is 5i, that means two matrices are same, so its determinant is obviously same. When determinant of two matrices same, question is you have to find determinant of a square minus 2a, which is same as determinant of 5pi. That means we are not finding its determinant. We are finding the determinant of 5pi by applying the characteristic equation subtract. And I matrix, you know that 1 0 0 1. When you multiply 5, it is 5 0 0 5, and its determinant only multiplication of diagonal elements 5 5 25. So which option is the answer? Your option B. So in all these 5 questions we have applied different types of ways, but the shortcut method is same. And I am observing in maximum questions, what is the matrix equation or polynomial types questions are coming, the coefficient of A is always the sum of diagonal elements given. Because when the examiners are making questions or any testing agency making question paper, they are making questions like this. In that question there must be some short trick. And you can observe or you can see, out of total how many students are appearing exam, only 1% students are qualifying the exams. Because total 99% students don't know such type of shortcut methods, only 1% students know. And here I am providing all types of shortcut methods, and you can watch such type of more short tricks in my YouTube channel Aditya Higher Mathematics. And in that description also I given link how to find inverse of 2 by 2 matrices using shortcut method, how to find inverse of 3 by 3 matrices using shortcut method, and for board exams how to find inverse of 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 matrices using elementary row operation with easy process, and injective, surjective, bijective function shortcuts. So go to the description and watch all my videos from the link. Also, if you have not subscribed, now only subscribe to watch shortcut method to find characteristic equation of a 3 by 3 matrix. Then only you can watch this when I will upload my 3x3 characteristic equation short trick. Like, comment and share. Thank you friends.